Hey guys, it's your girl Mary Jane Hobson, and I am back with another motherfucking video. And today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Apple AirPods, whatever. This is the box it came in. Cover my address, but this is the box. Hold up. This is the box it came in. UPS dropped it off or whatever, and it didn't really say nothing on here. Just got the part number, serial number, made in China, UPS, expedited, blah blah blah, yada yada yada. But I got scissors. I'm gonna try to open this because I don't think I know how. This might look like a different scenery because I'm at my mom's house. Oh crap. The only reason why I'm filming here is because this is where I sent them to. Look, hold up. ASMR. Wait. That's not right. I'm playing. But wait. I'm sorry, that was some good ASMR. Oh. I don't know how to, it's like, y'all can see it here. I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like when y'all open the box. It's like taped down or whatever. I don't know. Wait, the Apple sign. Dang, can y'all recognize it? There we go. Whatever. It's so sleek. I don't even want to open the box. We both know I'm about to. Depending on when you guys see this video, I just did another video yesterday, but I'm probably gonna post this one first. I got my phone. What do I do with my phone? I just had my phone. Oh, there we go. Phone. I'm funny. Let me stop. Okay. If you open it up, it says designed by Apple in California. You peel this off, and it's probably just like a little manual. This is really smaller than I thought it would be. Pull this out. AirPods. Probably just instructions and whatnot. Maybe I should leave that in there. Okay, and then inside, don't fall. Okay, it was in something, but it just fell. But this is what it looks like. It says, wow, maybe I opened the wrong one. I probably did. It doesn't matter. It just says, it got an engraving on it. And I'm not gonna open this one, but it comes with a charger connector to charge it, and the charger thing is at the bottom right there. So Matter of fact, I'm just gonna open this one. Okay, so the way it is like, it's like a little triangle. You pull this down. Oh my God, you pull this down, and then you open this part, the side part, and this little band comes off or whatever. And then it says designed by Apple in California, assembled in China again. Hold up. You see that little, the little flick? I wish I could do it. Hold up. The little flick. Okay. But anyways, so I can't take these out because I got nails on. So, oh, there we go. Take them out. And this is what they look like. And you can see in the palm, I have really small hands, I feel like. My hands are not that big. So look, this is the right one. This is it in the palm of my hand. Hold up, I can't even do this without it falling. This is in the palm of my hand, so it's pretty small. And then this, oh, I don't know what the lights mean, but yeah. How do I connect them? Let me see real quick how I connect them. Okay. AirPods. iOS says to connect iPhone with the latest version of iOS. Follow these steps. Okay. Turn on Bluetooth. My Bluetooth is on. Don't fall. God. Bluetooth is on. And then you go to the next page. It says connect AirPods. How the hell you do that? It says connect AirPods, but it doesn't even tell you how. This is open case, hold near unlock iPhone, then follow on screen instructions. Crap. Oops. Oh, look. And then on your phone, it has like the little, you know how it says AirPods and it says connect. So I'm gonna say connect. They on 75% and my phone is on, what they charging? Oh, so does this you charge the case and the case charges the AirPod. Bro, stop falling. It's gonna make me mad. Okay, anyways. Okay, so my case is on 75% and this is, I'm sorry, I just closed it. Case is on 75% and okay, wait, the left one's on 62%. It's charging as we speak. And the right one is on 78%, but the box is on 75%. Okay, hold up. Let me test this out for y'all real quick. But it's connected, right? Yeah, it's connected to this. I'm gonna go ahead and play. Bro, it's hard to take these things out with these nails on. That's one. That's two. Okay, this is the left one. Move my hair back. Left AirPod. Right AirPod. I'm being worked like. I'm being worked. Hold up. I'm finna play Dedication by Nipsey. How now? Another hype. It's cool. It's cool. Hold up. Let me just pop. Y'all heard that? Like a flip phone. You know, hear. Hello, what you say? What you... Boy, stop playing with me. Click. Let me stop. Okay. Left. And it just click right over on up in there. Right. Look at that. Let me stop. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Like I said, I'm a big back on YouTube because I love making videos for you guys. Anyways, thank you so much. If you guys like this video, please comment some more video ideas for me, whatever you guys like to see me do. Subscribe, hit that like button because, you know, it really helps me. Share this with your friends, and go buy you some AirPods. I should be sponsored. Hold up. I gotta make a thumbnail. I'm gonna just take it later. But thank you guys so much for watching this mother freaking video. I'm gonna be back with more. Period, because you already know that's what it is. 2K19, my year, happening, already happening, gonna continue. That's what it is. That's what it's gonna be. Period. Point blank. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please leave a sweet comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. This damn camera. Anyways, like I said, I'm gonna have my social medias linked in the description down below. And also at the end of this video. You know, you guys see it. You know, you guys like to see it. So anyways, I'm sorry my face is so glossy. I washed my face last night and hold up. Smooth as a... This not sweat, y'all. This ain't sweat. This that melanin. Melanin. Straight natural, you know. Your girl put on highlight, don't need it. Boop. Big ass forehead. Boop. Fat ass cheeks. Big ass chin. Fat ass nose. Already naturally highlighted. Period. Poo. Let me shut up. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching the video. Please leave a sweet comment down below. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and talk to me on my social media accounts. And like I said, I want to do 100 subscriber giveaway. Once I reach 100 subscribers, I'll actually probably announce what I'm going to be giving away. I'm not sure yet, or I might do it before then, but anyways, you guys will know. And once you do, all you guys are going to have to do is be subscribed to my YouTube channel, follow me on Twitter and Snapchat. No, not Snapchat. Instagram, I meant to say. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram and be subscribed to my YouTube channel. And if you guys want to win whatever I'm going to be giving away, then yeah, just send me screenshots of everything that you subscribe to, everything, and then I'm going to be entering everybody that do that into the giveaway. And then I'm going to just draw like randomly or whatever. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hold up. Can't do it.